What's up, guys? So, for today's vlog, ayun, it's, ano araw ngayon? April 28, 2024, and it's the last day of Philippine Book Festival sa World Trade Center. And ngayon, kami pupunta together with my mom and my sister. My dad's going to work, so hindi namin siya makasama. Anyway, syempre pupunta kami kasi nandun si Ina. Siya na talaga yung pupunta. But then, ayun nga. I'll have my missions and all na need kompletuhin during that and event. And it's actually my first PBF. Kasi, ang most of pinupuntahan namin, ang madalas na pinupuntahan namin ay MIBF, Manila International Book Fair. So, I am Hadley Zircon, and this is my vlog. Hey guys, so now we're inside the car.
What?
And
Oh my gosh. We are?
yeah, we are.
Are we?
And we're on our way na to the
Trip to the favorite rocket ship.
yes,
Inside the Grab.
inside the Grab.
And here's the Grab driver.
Wait,
Very hot siyang truck driver.
Wow,
Sige, magagalit na naman. Baka hindi daw ba camera.
Very handsome Grab driver daw meron ka.
really, we have a very handsome Grab driver. Here's the Grab driver. This is my sister.
Ganda graduation nila Ian.
Tapos wala pa rin.
Kung nakikita nyo kasi, against the light kami.
Hindi ka rin sila makita naman.
This is my mom.
Saan lang mo?
Yuki.
Of course, okay.
That's my mom. That's our handsome Grab driver. Our dad.
According to him.
Hi, Daddy. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Bye muna ulit. Kita-kits sa mismong event.
Lakad mo. Wala naman sa labas.
Move! What if alog-alog yung dapat?
Yan. Nakadala ka lang muna yung dalawang ano.
Ah! Sky! I see. Yung talong niya.
Yung talong mo hinahanap.
Yan yung talong ko.
Ang taling ko. Talag po ako sa'yo.
Hindi ko na po alam eh. Sorry ah. I deserve this ka dyan.
Deserve that?
Kahit pa ba? Sige, go. Why not?
Sige, may allowance kayo. Bahala ka.
Gulo po ng buhok ko.
Serve at talong.
Deserve a talong? How sure are you?
I deserve it so much. No, hindi ko na speaker
my... Sorry, wala. Ikaw yung unang.
What? Okay.
Inisip ko kung mapapabudol ako.
Ha?
Inisip ko kung mapapabudol ako.
Kapabudol?
Topic yan.
Pangit ng phone mo, Toy. Kanina pa siya ang pangit ng focus.
Ito nga. Nandito na kami sa BBFN. Yung mga kanina nyo ba nakikita, naging camera woman, unexpectedly yung kapatid ko. Are you okay?
Dapat ako po yung phone niya.
And we just finished lunch. It's from Poland. Oh yeah, Poland. Ay yung food nila. But yeah, anyway. Ngayon ay 1:58 p.m. So we still got around 1 hour and 30 minutes bago pa magsimula yung registration sa LIB para kainan. So, ayun nga. Kung napansin nyo po, pagpasok pa lang namin, nabudol na ako. Tapos, wala siya doon. Okay lang. Tapos, sumunod, sinikat na namin yung Booktopia. And then, nakita ko si Ate Az. Mamaya balikan natin since may 1 hour and 30 minutes pa kami. And then, nakabili na ako sa, oh my goodness. Sa Precious Pages. Nakabili na ako ng libro ni Inang, yung kay Pierce and kay Luther. So after that, ikot muna ulit kami. Punta namin si Ate Az and all that stuff. And yan, magpapabudol ulit ako. Yay! Ayun, bye-bye!
Hey
Kung wala na kayo, tignan ko.
Thank you po, salamat po. May tanong ka na. Wait lang. Nakita nyo na ba ito? Gusto ba i-try for fun? For fun. So ito yung nag-pillow po namin. Magagamit ito practical. Bagay po sa suot ng mother tsaka sa kanya.
I love it.
Purple, diba? Try natin.
Dito siya sikat magpudol.
Ang maganda dito, kapag matutulog po yan, hanggang ISO pwede yung matulog sa biyahe.
Oh my gosh, pwede ka nang maging talong.
Lastly po, wait lang, ito pa, merong, takay mo ito. Yeah!
Oh, naging talong. Love it.
Papapudol ka na yan, nagagamit mo talaga.
Magkano yung ganito?
So, dito po, online is 150. Pag sa event, 1,350 and then pag dalawa, 2 for 995.
Kapreso rin nung ano.
Ganda.
Talong. Anak, utang na rin, mag-isip ka muna sa
Bilhin mo na. Tsaka, promise mo kay mami na you do good grades.
Wow, love it.
Good daughter.
Eh?
yung grades niya. Don't talk about that.
Kaya naman, thank you so much, pero never may sipas.
Makakapaghanap pa naman po.
Congrats si Mother. Mother, baka gusto mo yung try for Bagay natin si Mother. Try mo lang for Ayun.
Mabuting kay anak ko eh.
Parang malapit
Para makita nila kung gaano kayo ka-cute kasi so na.
Batch na po. Kasama ko sila. Hello po. We're here at Philippine World No, Philippine Book Festival at World Court Center. Yes. Birthday girl. Yes. Happy birthday.
Anyway, maraming salamat po. Ibabalik po ulit yan. Thank you very much. Nakalimutan ko po, mahirap ang ginagawa ng mga tao nasa likod nito. Maraming salamat kay Tony, the brand manager, at yung ang staff ng LIB Precious Pages Corporation sila, sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
First author, ayan, she's been with us since the beginning of LIB. She's the imaginative mind behind the best-selling Possessive series, Temptation Island. Oh, welcome! Our first author, none other than CC! Diba? Nakakapiyok talaga pag si CC. Ayan, relax sila. Okay, next up.
Ano na dyan? Wait lang. Wala na.
For supporting me. Thank you for buying my books, and I hope you enjoy today.
We're saying goodbye to this place. Kasi lilipat na kami doon sa town. Because tapos na yung stage time ng LIB. Hanggang 5 o'clock na.
Lost and found. Someone got lost for 60 years in the Philippines. I want.
Bakit
Hindi nakakatuwa. Bakit hindi dito?
Dito sila dumaan eh! Inang lakad ka ulit. Sa inyo lang.
Ikaw na daw. Chichirin pa kita. Wait tayo. Mag-gento ka doon, oh. Gento.
So, magkano po tayo mga naging winners
Pag ako sumigaw.
sa LIB contest? Kunahin na natin yung mga na-announce na yata ito. Pero ulitin na ulit natin para sa book-booking winner, si Reyna Katungal. Drop a photo with your favorite LIB book. Si Adana Janchenko. Drop a photo with your favorite LIB author. Si Maynardo DiCarpio, sa familiar to, parang artista. Maynardo DiCarpio, ito ba to? Ayan, and para naman sa make your own book merch, si Ajay Arts and Jenna Gloss. And then nagkaroon din tayo ng contest sa LIB TikTok page na LIB Book Talk and Voice Acting Challenge.
Ayan na siya, ayan na siya.
And one winner per online game lang dapat ito. Pero dahil sa gagaling yung lahat, meron tayong 3 winners. Uy, so ibig sabihin, 3 yung nanalo sa ating
Ha? Yeah? Are you gonna go there?
acting challenge. So congratulations, congratulations kina Arusenia, Iji, and Solin Altriano.
What?
Ano ba sila?
Wala ako.
Ito si Arusenia. Wow, congratulations. And ang mga winner naman ang the
Adling. Kami dedication. Sa likod pa. May dedication sa likod. Adling. Aha!
What's up, guys? Okay, so this is just gonna be an outro of the whole vlog kasi hindi ko pala nagawa yun. Since late na kami nakawek, since late na natapos yung kay inang napila, and then deadbat na ako nung pauwi na kami. So, and then kinabukasan may pinuntahan pa kami. Basta ang daming event. So anyway, just to sum everything up, it was a nice experience. It was a great experience actually kasi ayun nga, I got to see Inang na kaya nayakap ko pa siya. Hindi lang ako ng video pero na-picture ng kapatid ko and it was posted sa Sockmeds ko. So ayun, galing-galing na kapatid ko, diba?
Of course!
Mapang-asar lang.
I am Hadley Circle and this is my vlog!
Anyway, and then nakita ko si Skype and muntik na ako mabudol ng talong pero hindi ako natutuluyan. Nailayo agad ako ni mother. So anyway, at na, before this vlog ends, I would like you to check these following co-authors of mine. I already followed them, so kayo naman, it's your it's your turn, and you wanna try their stories, go ahead. But here they are. Here they are. Okay, here they are. Stranger XD 29, Sandarix, Darker Inks, Twisted WP, Miss Haichi, Introvert Fires, oh my god, I'm sorry, baby. Slow and Sturdy, Jack and Jill, Ate Samuha 21, Lovely Nut, Unrivaled Beauty, and I am Master Yell. And I would like to shout out these people. Unang-una si Magsulat Ka Na sa Facebook. Kaya mo yan. I did say people, right? Yeah, shout out then kay Nexus Bloom. Good luck sa laban niya. If you want, you can support his story. Meron silang may competition kasi on their Writers PH. You go ahead and react on the photo. I'll put the link below sa description. Ayun na naman. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog like I did. And that's it. Magkita-kita tayo sa, I don't know. I do hope makapunta ako ng MIBF, but I doubt it. But if I do, I would, give you a heads up sa Facebook. Ayun naman. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Mwah, mwah, mwah!